do with the
Welcome
Bitcoin
in,
besides it just
you
gather
degenerate
value?
Real estate
crypto
developers in New York City, they're not buying the real
degens
estate
of
because they
DeFi.
want to live in it.
But like,
This is Alex
most of
Becker.
the people who are buying assets
I'm here today to
at
make
some
sure
point
you
want to
lose
sell the
all your
assets
money
at
in
a
crypto.
profit.
People that use,
Listen to Michael Saylor.
we call them poor. We call them poor. People.
All right, but seriously, I told you guys to start buying Bitcoin every single day when it was 17,000. You are now up 4x, and that's not enough for you. I told you to buy Chainlink. I told you to buy Polkadot, Hedera Hashgraph, actually technology that will change the world. But nobody wants to do that, do they? No. What do you guys want to do? You guys want to buy green frogs and blue frogs on base. And you want to watch them go up 50x, 100x. This other one we caught last night, Boom, Book of Meme. You want to buy a meme coin of meme coins. That's where we are at in this cycle. I mean, you guys are essentially going into a strip club and saying, this isn't enough for me. I want to go to the basement of the strip club. Why do people want to get this dirty? I don't get it. Okay, but if you are going to get dirty, use protection. All right, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that today so you can get in and out and hopefully not catch any viruses, hopefully don't get rug pulled, and hopefully don't have your wallet hacked. So make sure you're always super, super safe when you're getting this dirty. Now today, we are going to be looking at yield farming on Solana, because that's where everyone's at right now. Solana, if you're not on Solana, you're not cool anymore. All right. Now I showed you guys how to do this months ago. All right. I had a Solana yield farming December 24th. That's what I do on Christmas Eve, is make videos about getting 459% APY. So I'm going to adjust that position today. But the number one thing we're here to talk about is Trojan. All right. If you're going to get dirty, make sure you're using protection. So you need to make sure if you're trading on Solana, you want to use a bot. Okay, this is absolutely free. Okay, I will put my referral link down below in the comments for you to use. You can go to Trojan on Solana. Okay, make sure you wrap it up, kids. All right, the internet and DeFi gets really, really dirty. Actually, double bag it. All right, better be safe than sorry. Now, if you guys don't know how to use a bot or you want help doing it, they have all that made for you, so I don't have to do it for you. Okay, it's super simple. And last night, while everyone was trying to buy Boom, we were buying down here. Okay, it was almost impossible to get unless you had a bot. Okay, so you want to get in, you want to get out quickly. Okay, when you're dealing with these meme coins, I've already taken out my initial investment. Okay, don't get married to coins. Okay, they're not your friend. They're not here to save you. All the little friends you talk to in your Telegram group and spend memes back and forth to each other, they don't care about you. Okay, in fact, their only way they win is if you lose. So they're gonna try to convince you to hold on for dear life, diamond hands to the moon, and then you'll get wrecked. Okay, in and out, we take our profit back. We're playing with house money. That's how you play this game. So again, link below in the description to get your, it used to be called Unibot, now it's called Trojan, which is hilarious, right? Wrap it up, need protection. This will tell you how to do everything, okay? And on Francium, what I'm gonna do now is you can see there's this Boom Soul that's paying out like 1,000 billion percentage. Okay, so while all these degenerate meme people are flipping back and forth, I'm gonna make profit every time they buy, every time they sell, because I'm gonna be part of the liquidity pool on it. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this that I had, my Radium in USDC. So let's go ahead and close that. All right, so let's close that 100%. this off. I want to get a copyright strike. If you guys don't know who Sickick is, he's one of the best DJs in the world. So look him up on YouTube and follow him. All right. What are we doing here? Okay, so it should be in our Phantom wallet right now. All right, perfect. So we have 1730 there to play with. All right, you can see I have some Book of Meme here that I bought. I've already, like I said, I've already taken out my initial investment. Okay, so I know you guys are degenerates and normal yield farming is not good enough for you. You need more risk, right? You want to make sure that you lose all your money. So you're going to go to Francium and you're going to farm this BOM Sol at 2x leverage. So let's go ahead and click farm. Okay, I'm going to do 15,000 BOM and 1 Solana. If you're a wussy and you just want to do regular yield farming and just, you know, basically call your mom and tell her that you're a little wuss, you can do that. Okay, if you want to run with the big boys, you go 2x. If you want to lose all your money, okay, I guess you can choose which one you borrow. I'm just going to borrow Sol. Oh, you can borrow 2 assets. Yeah, I don't want to pay that much for BOM, so I'm not going to do that. All right, so we're going to supply 1 Sol, 15,000 BOM. We're borrowing 2.71 Solana. And we're going to click farm. This pool is in monitoring. Please confirm your awareness of the high process volatility risks. Of course, that's why we're here, isn't it? We want to make sure we lose all our money in memes. That's our goal. That's what people want. They don't want tech. They don't want to change the world. They want memes of memes coin. So we're going to give you guys what you want here on Alex Becker's channel. Play it, Michael Saylor. Tell them what they are.
We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them
Another degen play that I'm making tons of money on. You want Bree on base. Okay, it's down right now.
okay.
And again, there's no guarantee here. You will probably lose all your money. Okay.
It's going up forevermore.
It broke that trend I had.
But I mean, we can all look.
Came back,
Bitcoin sort
so
of
hopefully it'll stay above
has
there. This is a $203,000 market cap. Okay, I've already made money on this. Okay, I'm already out. I'm already playing with house money. So again, I don't really care what you do, but Bree on base. Okay, Brett's wife. All right, good team, super low cap. Okay, if you want to lose all your money, this is a good one to buy. Now I will tell you, dirty degens, that I've tried to do this 3 times. It's not working. It's probably because all you are on Solana buying monkeys, screwing dogs with frogs watching. So I can't yield farm like a degenerate because you're buying cats pissing in alleyways or something. All right. So can you dirty degens hold on to this position for 90 days? All right. That's my goal. Okay. I'm going to come back June 16th. All right. And unstake this and we'll see what we made. Now, according to them, okay, we're going to make 550%, or I guess 300%, or 8 SOL in 90 days. That's if, what does it say? Where did it say that? Yeah, the estimated total profit percentage of current equity when BOM SOL price stays unchanged after investing 90 days by leverage farming. Now, will it change? Of course it's going to. We're going to lose all our money. That's the whole point here. All right. Now, I think Solana will probably go up. See, I keep getting this error, so I'm going to keep trying. Solana will probably go up. Will BOM? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe it'll go to 0. Who knows? Okay. All I do know is it just got listed on Binance, which probably is a good sign for the next 90 days. So while all you guys are buying and selling here, look at this. Every single second, just about. Okay. Well, all these people are selling and buying. I'm going to be making money, okay, providing the liquidity and degenning into it. All right. So I don't know why this isn't working. All right. Can you guys stop trading meme coins for 5 seconds so I can get this through? All right. So I'm going to get this through. Okay. We're going to degen into yield farming. You guys need to make sure you wrap it up. Okay. Go to Trojan on Solana on X. Follow them. Okay. Use my link in the description to get your bot. Okay. and go here to learn how to use it. Okay, don't be lazy. Okay, don't just go and try to do manual trading. All right, you're gonna lose. You're gonna get frustrated. All right, you need a bot to get in and get out quickly and get those best prices. All right, Michael Saylor, take us out. All right, guys, this is the time. All right, we have been waiting for, we have been preparing for. All right, the next 6 months to a year can completely change your life if you take this serious and buy lots of apes, monkeys, frogs, dogs, and cats. All right, and whatever the next meme coin is, just buy that and you're gonna lose all your money. That's the goal here. We want to lose as much money as possible, okay? So that's why you're a dirty, degenerate gambler who will never get fixed. This is Alex Becker signing off for you dirty, dirty degens. Make sure you don't save your money in fiat or you're gonna be poor. Lace up, let's get wealthy. Peace.